I'm if you tell him about life. I'm on my journey. I'm on my journey. Nothing can hurt me. Can't hurt me. I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Yeah. Nothing can stop it. Haters ain't watching. I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Yeah. Nothing concerns me. I'm on my journey. I'm from the ghetto. Yeah. Where we had so heavy metal. I can see you from afar. Enemy lurking. Can't stop my purpose. I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Yeah.
My heart is like a murder scene. Yellow tape around the hate and I can't let you in. Tunnel vision, try to see it like at the end. I know they hope that I win, yeah. But I'm praying on my knees so I see better days. Hope he break me out my shell, I'm trying to spread my wings. Trying to fly away, do better things. I remember all them days they told me that I can't, yeah. Ain't nobody more important me than me. She said she feeling me, but right now I'm just trying to eat. Right now I'm just focused on that chicken. My nigga hit me up, he told me Melly stand on business, yeah. My nigga hit me up, he told me Melly stand on business.
I'm on my journey. Nothing can hurt me. Can't hurt me. I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Yeah. Nothing can stop it. Haters ain't watching. I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Yeah. Nothing concerns me. I'm on my journey. I'm from the ghetto. Yeah. Where we had so heavy metal. I can see you from afar. Enemy lurking. Can't stop my purpose. I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Yeah.
Coming from the 407, riding on the highway to heaven. Ooh, you better watch out. We shut them down, open up shop. Ooh, yeah. That don't mean they don't play.
Yo. I'd like to welcome everybody to the In God We Trust Academy podcast. And we give thanks for each and every last one of you today for your participation and joining us right now. All I ask you guys to do is hit that like and share button, man. We got some great things to tell you guys today. We're going to share some powerful things with you. If you want me to share it, I need you to share too, right? So make sure that you continue to share. All right, we're going to keep on vibing for a minute, man, and we're going to jump into this. I'm going to update you things on some court stuff, and then we're going to talk about defamation of character, guys. So come on up. Let's go.
All of my homies on one accord now. We don't ask questions like what can we afford now. All of my homies important now. You break the code, you deport now. We play the game like a sport now. Endorsement straight from the hood now. Man, on my word and we good now. Don't approach me unless you more now. She approaching, asking for more now. Pick your head up, don't hit your head down. The struggle will sound up the sign down. I found my peace and we here now. Cold or honor up in here now. So lay down the law, keep it real now. Then lower your oil, it's man down. I got a few killers that shoot around. You know we keep peace, ain't no backing down. He said for my family, now he asking for treaties. Just watch out them niggas who acting so greedy. Them be the people who heart is so evil. Swear I couldn't do it with none of my people. Fuck with Mel, this trigger I'm squeezing. Alertion the pussy ass nigga I'm sneezing. Look how we spinning. Look how we spinning. Look how we driving. Look what beside me. Look what I'm smoking. Look how we winning.
Let's go.
Look how we spinning. Look how we spinning. Look how we driving.
Man, I got something special for y'all, man. Y'all better get on up in here now.
Look how we spinning. Look how we
Y'all act like y'all don't want it tonight.
Look what beside me. Look what I'm
Huh?
smoking. Look how we winning.
I got something to show y'all tonight.
Look how we driving. Look what beside me. Look how we
Drop some ones and let me know you with me, man. Where y'all from, man? Tell me where you at, where you from. That's what I want to know. Tell me how far our reach is today. Who did God bring amongst us today? Let's go. Huh?
I'm in space with no rover. I am unstoppable. I thought I told you.
Slow me down, but I'ma keep cruising.
It's a guarantee that I'ma keep moving. See, y'all wasting time. I'm like,
yeah.
What are you doing, bitch? I'm on my grind with a
yeah.
dream I'm pursuing. Say, what's my influence? Killing them all with
Spit.
respect. These niggas gon' hate on the chat. I'm gonna get mine and no
Let's go.
Confidence speak with my jets.
Go on and tag your people.
With they breath. I must confess, I ain't the same that I used to be. I done leveled up LBL 18 times 3.
Look how we spinning.
Look how we spinning. Look how we driving.
Get in here.
Look what beside me. Look what I'm smoking. Look how we winning. Look how we spinning. Look how we spinning. Look how we driving. Look what beside me. Look how we smoking. Look how we winning.
Yo, man, it's been such a beautiful day. And I will definitely say that, man. And one thing I will say, this is a day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Man, God is so good. And I'm going to show you how good God is. And I'm going to show you how God operates, right? Because, again, we operate with a different force. And I don't think you guys understand that. So I'm going to show you tonight, man. But I still need y'all to go ahead and get everybody up in here. I don't know why they haven't let y'all know that we on, because today it seems like they what you call shadow banning a little bit, because we usually already have a lot of people up in here. So y'all come on. So we're gonna give y'all a little bit more time to get up in here. We're gonna run one more song, and after that, I just want you to know you the chosen one, man. This is for you. But what I got to show you today, man, tired of people. Yeah. Let's go. Y'all don't want to miss this tonight. If you miss this,
take off in the demon like it's stolen.
Hey.
Gotta execute the plan, yeah, we chosen. Take off in the demon like it's stolen.
Take off.
Gotta execute the plan.
Gotta execute. Yeah.
Give me a reason.
Huh?
Put a swirl on 'em. I'm in the demon, doing donuts in the SRT. Two-tone, hit the red button, I'm gone. Bring a little baby red bone. Oh yeah, get it,
Yeah.
I'm in my zone.
I'm in my zone.
Switching up lanes, I'm cutting you out. I'm a demon. If in cola, be every season. Oh, I'm running up, now I'm gone.
This sound like Quill. You are
The chosen one. Yes, you are. Oh, man, so divine. 333. Let's go. Y'all chosen, man. What's up, Ann Brockett? We got to link up one day, bro. I like your vibe, bro.
Take off in the demon like it's stolen.
I always feel your energy when you come through, so straight up.
Gotta execute the plan, yeah, we chosen.
Let's go.
Take off in the demon like it's stolen.
Shay Dollar L, what's happening?
Gotta execute the plan, yeah, we chosen.
What's up, Tamika Perry?
This sound like Quill.
Who else we got in here?
Pull up in the Challenger, you don't wanna challenge us.
Ventura, what's happening? Lily? Hey, what's going on? The solution. What's happening? Hey, it's gonna be good tonight, man. Y'all ready? We're gonna party a little bit. We're gonna have a little good time. Y'all gonna have a good time tonight and learn something? Yeah. What's going on, Jessica? How you doing? Your son been kicking my ass on the game. Tony Best. What's up? Nino Jones in the house now. Let's go. Crystal Love. Agnes Grimes. And I know Peter's right there with you. What's going on, family? Yeah, man. Brandon, what's up, bro? Got some music for you, man. Got some music for you to spin out here, brother. Man, congratulations on your new addition too, bro. Straight up, man. Congratulations, yo. So what's up, family, man? It's been great. I had court today. Y'all want to know how that went? Do y'all want to know how court went today? I had to go at 5:30, and I was the last one. Literally, the last one. So, and they was like, "Oh, we didn't call your name." You know you didn't. I'm here. But yeah, man, I got some great things to tell you guys. So, gonna be very, very transparent with you. So you will know, right? Definitely gonna do that, guys. So let me go ahead and get this part out the way. What do we have here? We got In God We Trust Academy. We are still setting up one-on-one trust. So anybody that's interested in setting up a trust, you do have that as you see the flyer here. So you do have that opportunity. You can go to ingodwetrustacademy.com and just sign up, and we'll do all that is possible to help you set up your trust as well. And when it also comes to work sessions, Mondays and Wednesdays, which are definitely free. So if we're here all the time, well, this is free too. All of this stuff is, but I just love doing this. So, but Mondays and Wednesdays is work sessions where we actually, learn things, go over things, documents, stuff like that. So make sure you join Mondays and Wednesdays, or you can just be here. But it's best to join if you want to come in and ask your questions. I know a lot of you want to ask questions, so make sure you come in so you can ask your questions. All right. So let's make sure we do that. Now, we also got the Ultimate Consumer. All right. This is the Ultimate Consumer tax class about refunds, rights, and remedies. So yes, I have talked about this once before in work sessions, but it's going to be a whole lot more based upon things that are added to this as well. So if you're interested, you are welcome to take that. Again, you can go to ingodwetrustacademy.com and you will see everything that you are wanting to do there as well, man. So just know that. And we got the Chat GPT course class coming up on the 17th. And man, listen, the Chat GPT course has led to a lawsuit, and man, you guys are gonna love what we have to show you tonight, right? This has led to a lawsuit, right, man? Of course, I guess you guys like beef or whatever, so we're gonna call this internet beef, and I'm gonna show you what to do with it, right? So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, right? We're going to have a little fun with this tonight. So first, we're going to talk about this court situation, man. So I think that we can actually jump into this if you guys would like to. Oh, you don't have to do any more, man. Well, let me say this too. If you go look on my page, like I say, I believe in transparency. So you can go look on my page, right? And you can go and see where the actual rent, full entire rent was paid. So thank you guys for participating in that and taking care of that. I think she probably even had a little bit extra to get groceries and stuff like that. So, so I appreciate each and every last one of you for doing that. So you don't have to say anything else. So mission accomplished. Great job. I just try to use my platform so people can, give. Just know you can write that off on taxation, etc., as well for yourself. So just know that. And also, if you did get the credit document, make sure that you use it thoroughly, right? And do what it is that you can do. But I appreciate every last one of y'all, man. That's what it takes. And I just want to, show you that it's something that we all could do. We all could do. And, one family at a time, one individual at a time, but it's possible. And you guys gave without, some of you would have just gave anyway, but I just wanted to also be able to give you guys something for giving as well. So I'm glad that you guys are able to, you know, use that document as well and go and clear up some of your credit and things of that nature. So it's such a beautiful thing, and just to be able to watch how God works. So again, it was great. So I'm proud of y'all. Real talk. And that's what it takes for us to do what we're doing. All right. So y'all did a real great job on that. And it just God just showing me more ways the way I can be used and you can be used as a vessel on how we can help people, man. Literally. Literally, man. And I don't never tell people when I help people because I don't like to talk about it like that. But today was significant. I helped someone today. I'm not gonna say what I gave them, but I gave them. I gave them whatever was in my pocket, pretty much. So let me just say that. Whatever was in my pocket is what I gave to him. And I just know he was wrapped up with a blanket and he had a book bag. And I know it's gonna get cold. And I gave dude whatever was in my pocket, and he was like, yo, you can't do this. I looked at him like, what? What you mean I can't do this? You can't give me this much money. I said, yes, I can. He said, but why? I said, bro, it's cold. Go find you a room, whatever. Get you some food and stay there. That's what I want you to do. Okay, if it's in your heart. And I said, hey, man, go do that. And that was it. And dude went in the store and went to hell in his business. And like, you know what I'm saying? That type of stuff touched my heart. Is because really why? It's because I judged that dude before I ever met him. Real talk. And he might have judged me. I don't know as well. But I did though. And God showed me that day like, hey man, don't do that. Don't judge people like that. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know. And not saying that I, felt any type of way about him, but it's just like, I kind of like, I watch people because you got to watch your surroundings. And he was just one of them people I felt like I got to watch you. But like when we approached or had the conversation, like I felt the spirit. So I was like, yo, you're not even like that. You a real genuine individual, like really genuine. You ain't never even asked me for no money. And I see him all the time at the store. Never asked me. You know what I mean? So like, I just thought, man, it just was different, man. So I just really appreciate that lesson in it within itself today as well. And that was just part of our day. Me and the wife day driving around doing stuff that trying to get ready, prepare for this weather because it's about to snow and stuff. So, but it just felt different, yo. And I just thought I would share that with y'all. So don't judge people, yo. Straight up. Do not judge people. All right. Like you got to really see something deeper than what you actually looking at besides the stereotypical shit they give us. And, so that's real, man. That's how I actually felt about that. So, but let's talk about it though, guys. Today, man, this is what happened while I was at court today. First and foremost, I had to be there at 5:30. I was the last one. They got to go. All right. So what happened was, I want you to pay attention. Just to give you a reminder of the story, I was pretty much stopped for not yielding at a traffic light, is what they were saying, for not yielding the right of way. Okay. And then I was also given one for so-called driving with suspended license or no license, whatever. And then also failure to register vehicle. So those three were the actual tickets, right? So the probable cause for the stop is failure to yield. That was dismissed and the license was dismissed, right? So this is what he asked me, well, what is it that he said, he was like, so he was trying to get me to like set up another court date to see if I would go register. And I said, he said, he was basically asking, well, what is it that you are saying? I said, well, the only thing that you could put down for me, I'm not guilty for any of it based upon violation of due process of law. And he said, oh, they all looked at me. Cause like, and you got to know why, because when you sitting there standing in there and like you see, and I'm gonna say this about the judge. The judge cool. Oh, when I say the judge showed every individual in there today love, like he really showed y'all love today, and and I'm saying based on your ignorance, he still showed y'all love. Like the man set out court dates all the way till May to give people time enough to get they shit together so he can dismiss it in May if they got their shit together. That way it doesn't harm their records, etc. Like, bro, that's an individual with a conscious mind and heart with people. I rock with that. And when I see good and I know what's good, then I'll tell you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I real talk. So he tried to approach me the same type of way, and I was like, I'm not one of them, though, Judge. Like, that's not what it is. So I just said pretty much he was just trying to get me to go ahead and like, hey, why don't you, I'll set this court date out till May if you're going to be trying to register it. And I said, no. I said, I hear everything that you're saying, but let me explain this. They violated due process, and I can't go along with that. So he's like, all right, cool, we're gonna set you a trial. And I said, okay, whatever, that's fine, whatever you feel like you want to do. It is what it is, and I'm gonna show you something, right? And it's already over with. And the reason why it's over with is simple. And I've been doing this for a minute. Simple. All right. Now, once you do this, you got to understand it's already over based upon this right here. And yes, I just typed this today, so it's done. So listen, watch this. Right? Pay attention. This is motion to dismiss based on lack of probable cause for initial stop. If he dismisses the probable cause, anything else after that is gone. So listen, this is my point though. Now we got to talk about God. See, this is how God works. God is so good, Joe. Who would know that I would get there? Now listen, mind you, he said, let me tell you why he dismissed it, right? I just want you to pay attention to God, right? And I'm glad I study enough to know. So he said that he dismissed it based upon 2 tickets, right? 2 tickets. He basically dismissed those based upon, I told y'all he had the court date on there. Like the shit happened on the 16th and he had the court date for the 19th, 2 tickets. So he dismissed those based upon the infractional, errors on the actual tickets, right? So, and then I'm like, well, damn, that's an easy win. Like, you just gonna really dismiss the probable cause and ask me about this? And so when I say a violation of due process of law, of course, they're going to be like, well, we're just going to have to set up a trial date based on, because I can't argue facts or anything like that without the officer here. And I said, okay, cool, whatever. Doesn't matter. But the point is this is how God works. God made sure from the very beginning there was an error. Listen, man, I don't think you understand what I'm saying. Every situation I've been in, it's always errors. Error here, error there, which is really what this is all about. If there's error in their evidence and proof of whatever due process, then it has to be dismissed. That's really what court is. I keep telling y'all that. Due process is so strict. If they do anything wrong, it's dismissed. That's what y'all got to understand, man. That's what's the powerful part right there. Because I'm trying to tell you from the very beginning, God already covered the situation. But see, God said in Joshua 1:8, he said you got to what? Study. Study the law. Keep it next to you every day, right? And he said you will become successful and prosperous. Y'all better listen, man. Listen to what I'm saying. That's the reason why I tell y'all it's spiritual. It's spiritual. Like, and it's spiritual before physical. And God move in ways y'all don't even see it. The fact that the court dates was already wrong threw away the whole probable cause. That's God. Boom. The rest of it gone out the door. Now, before I go on and show you the rest of this, you see what I'm saying? Listen at this song again, drop some ones, and then we gonna go through this document, man, and hit the share button. Cause we got a lot to show y'all tonight. Listen at this, man. Yeah. If this don't touch you, man, I don't understand.
I'm on my journey.
Yes, we are.
Nothing can hurt me.
Nothing.
I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Nothing can stop it. Haters ain't watching.
Yeah.
I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal.
Let's go.
Yeah. Nothing concerns me. I'm on my journey. I'm from the ghetto. Yeah. Where we had so heavy metal. I can see it from afar. And I'm lurking.
Hey, lurking.
Can't stop my purpose. I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Yeah.
My heart is like a murder scene. Yellow tape around the hate, and I can't let you in. Tunnel vision, try to see it like at the end. I know they hope that I win, yeah. But I'm praying on my knees, so I see better days. Hope he break me out my shell, I'm trying to spread my wings. Trying to fly away, do better things. I remember all them days they told me that I can't, yeah. Ain't nobody more important me than me. She said she feeling me, but right now I'm just trying to eat. Right now I'm just focused on that chicken. My nigga hit me up, he told me Melly stand on business, yeah.
Let's go. Hey, y'all ready? We gotta catch this hook. Catch this hook one more time.
I'm on my journey.
Yeah.
Nothing can hurt me. I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Yeah. Nothing can stop it. Haters ain't watching. I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Yeah. Nothing concerns me. I'm on my journey.
Let's go.
I'm from the ghetto, yeah. Where we had so heavy metal. I can see it from afar, and I'm lurking. Can't stop my purpose.
They can't stop this, yo.
I'm from the ghetto, where we had so heavy metal, yeah. Coming from the 407.
Hey, you got to understand, man. You really got to understand what the force of nature we dealing with. If you know God, if you know you divine, if you know you connected to the all, stop limiting yourself to these physical things that you see. That's all I want to say. Stop limiting yourself. I keep telling y'all, man, my faith in everything that we doing right now, it's so great. It's not an individual on the face of this earth. It's not a task or a challenge that could ever turn me away from what we doing. Nothing. And that's what I'm trying to get you guys to truly understand. It's nothing. Literally nothing. You feel what I'm saying? Now let's go through this right quick. Now, this is what I'm finna file for the court, for the trial date. Simple. This is what I'm finna file. Motion to dismiss based on lack of probable cause for the initial stop. The defendant, Eric Inglebain, respectfully moves this honorable court to dismiss the remaining charge of failure to register on the grounds that the initial traffic stop was conducted without valid probable cause. This dismissal of failure to yield charge, which served as the sole basis for the stop, renders the stop unlawful, right? So, any evidence obtained during or as result to the stop must be excluded as fruit of the poisonous tree. In support of this motion, the defendant states as follows: dismissal of probable cause charge. The traffic stop was the traffic stop was initiated based solely on an alleged failure to yield of right of way, which has since been dismissed by this court. Without probable cause or reasonable suspicion, then now that makes the stop unlawful. The Fourth Amendment, Wren versus the United States, 1996. All right, exclusionary rules apply. Evidence obtained as a result of an unlawful stop, including the alleged failure to register charge, is inadmissible under the exclusionary rule. It's over. Right here, evidence obtained as in the result. So if you dismiss that, including the alleged failure to register charge, is inadmissible under the exclusionary rule. Remaining charge stems solely from unlawful stop. The failure to register was discovered solely because of the stop. Without the stop, there would be no basis to discover or charge the defendant with failure to register. If you dismiss the probable cause, then you cannot you can't use anything else that you found after. This is over. It's over with. Simple. Request for relief. Based on the foregoing, the defendant respectfully requests that this court dismiss the remaining charge of failure to register, as it is the direct result of an unlawful stop. Grant such other further relief as the court deemed just and proper. It's over. I told you. Pay attention to everything. Pay attention to all details. I keep trying to make sure y'all be ready, because I ain't missing nothing. I told y'all I ain't letting nothing slide this year. Nothing. None whatsoever. Nothing. Let's give our praises, man. It's over. It's over. See, that's something worth shouting about right there, huh? That is something worth shouting about. Think about where we come from, man. I keep saying that, man. Look where we came from. That's for any court case. It doesn't matter what court. If it's a case to where they actually got rid of the probable cause, if the probable cause is gone, then anything after that is gone. That's the situation. And you got to, that's what you have to understand at all times. That's why I keep telling y'all, listen, just because they say and do and this, it ain't over. Pay attention to everything that's going on. They mess up and rock anywhere, which is the same thing that kind of happened with Young Thug case. They lawyer just dropped the ball. Ain't no way in the world you would have had to take 15 years of probation. Bro, if we get it all the way down to probation, it needs to be dismissed anyway. It's a bunch of fraudulent shit that went on. And I guarantee you that damn attorney with Young Thug got paid. So, yeah, I'm just telling you, you just need to learn due process. Due process is where it's at. Due process is where you're always going to win. All right? It's always where you're going to win. And if you know that, then that's your superpowers. Okay? That is your superpower. And that's all you have to do is know that whenever the probable cause is gone, it's over with. So this is what we got to tell them. Man. Y'all know what song I'm finna play, man. Y'all know this is my song. And anytime we get to jam,
Top Golf is introduced.
Right? Y'all know this is my song. And what I want to tell
Saturday
y'all
morning
is this:
smiles.
you don't have to look any further. It's over. Y'all got to watch this in real time, right? Real time. Y'all got to watch it all.
to take over.
Hey.
Oh, girl, don't look any further. Strange when you think of the chances that we both be in a state of mind. Too cool to be careless, looking for the right thing. Oh, baby, don't look any further.
We got
Tonight we're gonna taste a little paradise.
Rock it all night long, baby,
All night
the
long.
line.
Daylight
I'll still be looking in your ebony eyes.
and we'll go on.
Go on and on and on. Damn, mambo G.I.O. Well,
hey, let's get it.
don't look any further.
You ain't gotta look no further.
Damn, the Jambay on fire. Well, don't look any further. Someone to count on
Count
in a
on.
world ever changing. Here I am, babe. Stop. Where you standing, babe?
What you need is a love.
You need love.
Love you all over.
Love me all over. Oh, baby, don't you look any further, further.
No, we don't.
Don't look any further.
Talk to me one more time.
Tonight,
Tonight we're gonna taste a little paradise.
all night long,
Rockin' all night long.
daylight.
Daylight
I'll still be looking in your ebony eyes. We'll
go on and
go
on.
on all day, my day, every day. Say,
On and on and on.
don't look any further.
Don't you look no
No.
my day.
Na, 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 na. Girl,
Hey, let's go.
don't look any further. Don't you ever look no.
We ain't gotta look no further, man. If you just tuned in, we win. You know what I mean? If you just tuned in, we win. Don't forget, man. And listen. It's so easy because you gotta remember, man. You gotta remember the whole sole cause is the failure to yield for right of way. Okay? That was the probable cause. It got dismissed. And then driving with suspended license, it got dismissed. And then they tried me with the failure to register. They was like, hey, you want to go get it registered? And I said, nah. We're going to take this to trial judge based upon violation of due process of law. And he was like, oh, okay. Well, we'll set you a court date. I said, thank you. I said, you did a great job. He just looked at me like, yeah, okay, yeah. I said, you did a great job. So now, listen. So since they did that, you come around and you hit them for a motion to dismiss based on lack of probable cause for the initial stop. So that means that the traffic stop was initiated based solely on the alleged failure to yield right of way, which has since been dismissed by this court. So now, without probable cause, I told y'all, watch God work. Watch God work. Watch God work. Hey, y'all better watch God work. And look, the first two had to get dismissed based upon due process of errors in their actual complaint, based upon the court date. You feel what I'm saying? So that means that based upon them, because remember I told you it was December the 16th. They had my court date on December the 19th on 2 tickets. And then on one of them, they had it on the 1st, January the 9th, which was today. And the officer would say, hey, man, go to the one on the 9th. Don't go to the one on the the 19th. But I already knew that. I know you can't process those that fast. I even called, and they was like, "No, we don't have it yet." I said, "I know. I'm just doing my diligence. That's all." So now when we get in there, the judge was like, "Yeah, based upon the errors and infractions upon the ticket here, we're gonna dismiss it." I said, "Oh, you dismissed the probable cause, huh?" So now when he said that, I was like, "Yeah, so what do you want to do? Trial, due process, violation of due process of law?" And again, you got to understand the terminology that I'm using, only a lawyer is going to say that. And they just looked at me and said, "Oh, okay. Well, we'll get you a court date." And now that's what we hit them with. So now it's called exclusionary rule applies. Evidence obtained as a result of an unlawful stop, including the alleged failure to register charge, is inadmissible under the exclusionary rule. If you got rid of the probable cause, it's gone. So the failure to register was discovered solely because of the stop. Without the stop, there would have been no basis to discover or charge the defendant with failure to register. So here's the thing. I know they never read any of the motions that I sent, but since it's a trial now, they're going to have to read every motion that I done sent. And I'm about to send this one in too. And I already know if he would have read those motions beforehand, before he even asked me this stuff, he already knew my angle. He already know what's up, but I know they didn't. And that's okay. It does not. It's over anyway, right? It's over anyway. Okay? So that's that. That is that. All righty now. Are y'all ready for the next subject? Defamation of character. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Drop some ones if you're ready for defamation of character. This is about to get real spicy tonight. But it is what it is. Because you want me to go there, I'm going there. I told you guys, in year 2025, I'm not letting shit slide. Again, in year 2025, I'm not letting shit slide. So make sure y'all put that in the chat. Year 2025, I'm not letting shit slide. And I told you to find y'all somebody else to play with. Real talk. I don't play games. I don't do games. You feel me? So since people want to play games, you're going to win stupid ass prizes. And I ain't somebody to play with. So I'm going to show you. Okay? Is you ready for it? Is y'all ready for it? That's all I want to know. So now I'm going to show you where all this shit stems from. Why are we going here today? Why are we going here today? Why are we going here today, right? So listen, right? So I'm actually, today I Googled some, I'm not Googled, but got on Facebook to look at a case that I dismissed a while back. And I wanted to see something. And I was like, I'm trying to look for something. Then I run into some shit. And I'm like, oh, okay, so this motherfucker really think I'm playing. And I'm going to show y'all how, I'm going to show you how weak. First of all, here, you see this? If you can see the screen, this is what you guys did today. Let me give beautiful grace for this. You guys did this today. $1,407.95 completed totally for a family to be able to continue to stay in their place and not be in the freezing freaking cold. So congratulate yourself and give thanks to God as well. Y'all did great. All right. Y'all did great. So let me show you that first. Okay. Y'all did a great job. So now, let me show you. This is where this stems from. So y'all remember me putting ready to unlock the true power of ChatGPT. Join us on the first 17th. Now, this class is a class you guys also requested. So I just want you to pay attention to everything that I'm saying. Okay? So now, learn how to create professional documents for trust, court cases, even handle credit, and more using ChatGPT for mastering the basics of to leveraging AI for your legal and financial needs. This course has it all, right? So basically, now let's go in the chat here because I'm serious. Like I said, I don't got time to play. Let me go do it like I did the other one. Yeah, don't got time to play. Is it gonna let me see it? Yeah, it will. All right, so if we go in here on the chat, oh, it's not gonna let me show it that way. Let me go back and show it to you this way. All right, just give me a second, cause we're gonna get. I got to show y'all. We got to go through this tonight. So y'all just hold on, cause I'm finna show y'all why you shouldn't play with people who know shit. Play stupid games. Just keep fucking playing. That's what you do. Okay. Keep playing. All right, I got it. I got it. I got what I need. Now let me do this. Let me do this right quick. Let me send this to myself so I can show you where this stemmed from. So we ain't got to act like. Because it ain't going to show it on here because I have to be on my own for you guys to see it. All right, so let me show you. Let me show you where this stemmed from. Right? Let me show you. So the individual literally got mad. Pissed mad, for one. Come on. Oh, I didn't hit the send button. My bad. Now it's sent. All right, so I don't know. I don't even understand why the individual mad because the individual was literally asking me to do shit with them. Like literally wanted me to, I don't know, do some shit, man. I ain't had time. I got so much shit going on with my family right now. We done had death in the family, all kind of shit going on, and if you don't stimulate people the way that they want you to stimulate them, then they get mad. But anyway, let me show you. Let me freaking show you. And I know you're watching, so just know your ass is God. I don't play. All right, so now, y'all ready? This is the dude. All right, this is his name, Daniel Sutton. Okay? So he got mad because I'm doing this course. He was like, "Oh man, this is free on YouTube. What? You're charging the people for something on free on YouTube. You must be broke. You're grifting." This is what this stupid individual said, right? All right, so let me show you. Gets pissed off, says that dumb shit, and he said, now this is what he put in the comment. "Now you just grifting at this point. Love the content, but you are robbing the people. How?" But I'm on here freely damn near every day. And the thing is, you've been around for a minute, bro. You see what I'm saying? Like I've been we didn't have conversations plenty of times, but see, this is why I watch you motherfuckers. I don't let you get close, because I know you snaky. This the type of shit y'all do, right? So now he gonna say, "I was offering to teach you some stuff. I don't charge to help my people because I see you misleading. You have half-ass information and no desire to learn nothing, something new." See, somebody always come and challenge shit and we winning. I don't understand dumb ass people. I could throw 100 testimonies on here. We winning, but we got half-ass information. Like it's like this is what I'm saying, and y'all be losing, but I'm finna show y'all what to do with shit like this, right? So it says, "Now this is why we are suffering. You're robbing people for donations, pretending to know something you don't. Love your people, bro. This is embarrassing." Now the first thing he said was, "Love the content." The fuck is wrong with you, dude? That's what you call them backhand compliments that Kendrick was talking about. You said you love the content and then turned around and dissed it. Boy, I tell you, you like, and this is what I'm saying. First of all, you a man, bro. Stand up straight, man. Hold your chin up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Poke your chest out a little bit. Make sure don't no milk squeeze out. Understand, bro, you a man. Why you acting like this? Why you worried about what another man is doing and how he run his business? And I'm finna show you how deep it gets. So it's like, this shit it looks crazy. So like, it's certain people like you I gotta watch. If I ever see you, like, don't get too close. And the reason why is because, I don't know, I feel threatened. I don't feel safe around you, ever. Around my family, or none of that. I'm on full alert, right? So let me show you something, right? This dude literally just said, I love the content. And then comes down here and said, half-ass information and no desire to learn something new. And I mean, that's what the fucking sound like to me anyway. A bunch of yada yada yada. Then he said, YouTube teaches ChatGPT for free, and you slow as hell. Don't even know what ChatGPT do with your information. We got another Billy Carson in the mic. And oh shit! All right, now, all right, man. Y'all just excuse me. I'm just having a little fun tonight. Is that all right? I have a little fun. So then he turned around. Now this is what he was putting in my text message, right? December 19th. I know you're going through it with the courts at the moment, but when you have a free chance, I would like to hear your feedback. Okay, brother. Thanks again, as always. Hope you found my message regarding file security. I'm sure you can make sense of how to accomplish security with your digital assets and intellectual property. But if you would like some expertise on the subject matter, I would be a valuable resource for you. Oh my God. I mean, shit. That's what he said, guys. So let's look in here again. That's just one. All right, let's look at the other. Now it says, I'd love to collaborate. So now you want to be a part. So I already read the other part, right? So he said at the top, I didn't get to show the other part. He said, I love to collaborate on developing a healthcare info course. It's a whole new frontier. Consider the classification system of birth certificates. The implications are profound, and I believe we can unpack them better than most. Yo, you see this shit? See, y'all think I be making shit up, man. Like, this the type of shit I got to deal with. An individual literally asking me to do and collab and be and all of this shit, right? So this is why I be telling y'all, don't get in y'all feelings on here when people behave, man, because they unstable. Don't get in your feelings, man. Don't worry about who don't believe you, don't like you, whatever. But enough is enough, though. Okay, so let me go down some more. Said that. Now he said this. I liked your last live. You touched on data and domain, which overlaps. When discussing private administration, how do you weigh public domain interests? The answer to your question at 27 minutes is eminent domain. That's why you can't sue the electric company for coming onto your property if it is in the public interest, because you and private and private share a common boundary law. Same thing is happening with your data. All public domain data and unclaimed private data, again, unclaimed private data, which is why we claim the freaking data in our trust. It's why I teach you guys that. But anyway, it's being collected and put on one new public domain with private keys. Anyway, right? And then it's like, I would love to collaborate. So this is where this shit stems from. Now let me show you how obsessed this stupid motherfucker has become. Yeah, I think I'm bullshitting. So I'm sitting up here, and like I said, I'm searching, looking for my old case, and this is what I come up with. Look, y'all see this? Look at it. It's my name. Now, fool, Eric Ingram Bay. Look at this saint out here making deals. But let's not kid ourselves. Not me, Eric Ingham Bay, the president of Taco Supreme Bay. Sounds like a good restaurant. Maybe I might do that one day. This ain't charity, right? You need something from me. I need something from you. This was today, guys, right? But don't get it twisted. I'm just out here robbing Peter to pay Paul. It's not even my money. When you come back needing more help, I'll find another sucker. And forget teaching you to fish. I'm out here fishing for myself, catching y'all hook, line, and sinker. Now listen, this is what he puts. He sits here. Last night, a person slept in the park. Today, I negotiated their lease with $0. Tonight, they have keys, a warm place to shower, sleep, food, assistance, access to medical care, support services. Kick your feet up, young man. You did a good job. Now look at it. But if you got business, bro, stick to your business. You know, you mad. So now let me show you. So now he's made that. That's one. That's just one. That's just one of the ones he made. He also made this one. All right. Now he's putting down here sovereign fund. He's got my face up here, some little thing going on. And then he's got, let's see what else he's got. It's full of stuff in here. And I was laughing like, got your stupid ass. Okay, here it is. Now he's right here. Eric Ingham Bay. He made this one. President Taco Supreme Bay. He made that one as well. And then we go down a little further. Still, there you go. Come on. Come on. Let's go down a little further. Still doing shit. Still doing shit. Let's go on up. Let me show you. Did he take down the one that I think he took down? I think he did, but I got a screenshot of it, though. Don't worry. Yeah, I think he took it down. So what he did was he went and took my name, and he went and got a EIN number. It says Eric Ingham Bay parody on it, right? And I just literally put on there, oh, thank you. Now I have the right to sue. I surely do appreciate you. Yeah, he took it down. But I got you anyway, dumbass. It doesn't matter. So let me show you something, right? And I'm just showing y'all, like, this is how weak. And I told y'all, I'm not letting nothing slide. I got to get you, bro. And I told you, I don't have to put hands on you to show you something. I'm going to show you. Right? I'm going to show you. Okay? So now let me find what I'm looking for. Let me find what I'm looking for. I ought to do a free course on suing your dumb ass. That's what I ought to do. That's what I ought to do. But anyway, like I said, I know he took it down, but I got it. I got a picture of it anyway. No matter what. I gotcha. And that's how I know you scared, because your bitch ass took it down. Leave that shit up. Stand on your business, dog. Leave that shit up, dog. Don't be scared now because I put on there, good. I can sue your dumb ass. Come on, man. Thought you was a gangster out here. Thought you was real in these internet streets. I thought you was real in these internet streets. But I just really want to show you, man, like, that shit lame, dog. You's too lame. Yo, focus on the, real is real, man. And you really got mad because the girl got her shit paid for? That's even worse. You probably ain't even help her. Yeah, he took it down. Soft ass. Soft as a cookie. It's soft as shit, man. That's all right though. I got a screenshot of it anyway, bro. Don't worry about it. I'm smart. I told you, stop playing with people, dog. Go play with your kids, have fun. I'm probably finna take a little bit of their funds. You better move some shit to the trust because it don't matter, boy. You be coming. Now listen, here we go. Eric Ingram Bay versus Daniel Sutton. Okay? This is a civil action here. Yeah. Defamation. So I got specific dates and everything. Defendant published false and defamatory statements about plaintiff on social media. Defendant created social media accounts impersonating plaintiff and falsely accused plaintiff of engaging in fraudulent activities. The statements are false, were made publicly, and were intended to harm plaintiff's reputation. Defendant's action meet the criteria established in New York Times Company versus Sullivan, 1964, in that these statements were made with actual malice or reckless disregard for truth. I told y'all, keep fucking playing. Keep playing. Identity theft. Defendant fraudulently used plaintiff name to create fake social media accounts and potentially obtain a EIN from the IRS under the plaintiff's name. Defendant actions constitutes identity theft under 18 U.S.C. 1028, which prohibits the unlawful use of another person's identity information. I don't give a fuck what page he took over. Take over this. I keep telling you, the more y'all be trying this stuff, the more y'all more time y'all, man. I've been through way too much, bro. This little shit y'all be trying. It's crazy. So now, look. Anyway, defendant's actions are consistent with identity theft as defined in United States versus Mitchell, when impersonation and unauthorized use of identifying information cause harm to the victim. Defendant engaged in sustained campaign online harassment by impersonating plaintiff, posting harmful and false content, targeting plaintiff's reputation. Defendant conduct constitutes cyber harassment under, then we can put that in there too. Because every state got one now, if you didn't know. In Illinois versus United States, the Supreme Court affirmed that online communication made with intent to harm or intimidate constitutes lawful harassment. Yeah, you keep fucking playing. Count 1, defamation, knowingly and intentionally made false and defamatory statements about plaintiff. I told y'all can't just be saying any damn thing on the internet. Y'all just run your mouth. Yeah, it's you got the right, freedom of speech. But hey, everybody's held accountable for what they say and do. Right? Defendant statements were false. They were publicly, disseminated and caused harm to plaintiff's reputation. As established in McCulloch versus Lorraine, 1990, defamatory statements that are presented as factual assertions and cause reputational harm are actionable under U.S. defamation law. Plaintiff has suffered damages, including emotional distress and reputational harm. Y'all got a headache. Hold on. I just got a headache for a second. My bad. Y'all just hold on, man. I'm just going through a few things right now. Just, this has really caused a lot of stress upon me, and it's causing like random headaches with me here lately. Since I've read this, you just witnessed my second one. So y'all forgive me, man. I'm trying to get this together to make it through this tonight. All right, so let's see if we can get through this. The plaintiff has suffered damages, including emotional distress and reputational harm as a result of defendant's conduct. Yes, I have major anxiety. Defendant unlawfully used plaintiff's name and identity without authorization. Defendant's conduct constitutes identity theft. In Dover, in this right here, right? I'm going to show you. Plaintiff has suffered damages, cyber harassment, Defendant engaged in pattern of harassment through digital means targeting plaintiff with malicious intent. Defendant's conduct violates state laws against cyber harassment. I'm going to show you that as well, because they all got them. In Tinker versus Des Moines Independent Community School District, the court acknowledged the disruptive potential of online and public speech in certain circumstances. I have suffered damages, including emotional distress. Y'all, I don't think we're going to be able to have work sessions until I get this done. I think you guys might need to be a witness to my stress since I've been going through this here lately. We might not be able to have work sessions Monday. So we'll just have to see. But right now, I'm going to probably have to cancel it as of right now. So, yeah, I know. It's not good, man. It's not good at all. Me. But y'all just keep playing with me. And I'm tired. I'm tired. Are y'all paying attention to what I'm saying? Oh, y'all, what y'all think I'm playing? This, bruh, look, this shit already typed up. I'm not playing. Y'all think I'm playing? It's already done. I'm not playing. So, Mr. Sutton, I want you to pay very close attention to these words, because I want you to know my God said that I will definitely prepare My God said that he's going to prepare my table in front of my enemies. This is what I want you to know, Mr. Sutton.
Yeah.
I told y'all, man.
Tell you about life.
I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing. Y'all leave me the fuck alone. Real talk. Leave me the fuck alone. I don't bother nobody.
I'm on my journey. Nothing can hurt me. I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Yeah. Nothing can stop it. Haters ain't watching. I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Yeah. Nothing concerns me. I'm on my journey. I'm from the ghetto, yeah. Where we had so heavy metal. I can see you from afar, and I'm lurking. Can't stop my purpose. I'm from the ghetto, where we had so heavy metal, yeah.
My heart is like a murder scene. Yellow tape around the hate, and I can't let you in. Tunnel vision, try to see it like at the end. I know they hope that I win, yeah. But I'm praying on my knees so I see better days. Hope you break me, I'm a shell, I'm trying to spread my wings. Trying to fly away, do better things. I remember all them days they told me that I can't, yeah. Ain't nobody more important me than me. She said she feeling me, but right now I'm just trying to eat. Right now I'm just focused on that chicken. My nigga hit me up, he told me Melly stand on business, yeah. My nigga hit me up, he told me Melly stand on business.
I'm on my journey. Nothing can hurt me. I'm from the ghetto. Where we had so heavy metal. Yeah. Nothing can stop it. Haters ain't watching. I'm from the ghetto.
Man, this dude was really, he been watching at it.
Nothing concerns me. I'm on my journey.
Oh, man.
I'm from the ghetto, yeah. Where we had so heavy metal. I can see you from afar, and I'm lurking.
I'm out here like 50 Cent, man. I promise you I am.
I'm from the ghetto, where we had so heavy metal, yeah. Coming from that 406.
Shout out to Chris Knight. Bro, they said put this on Spotify now. You're playing. This is what we doing. Man, I told y'all it was gonna be a little spicy up here tonight. But stop playing, yo. Stop playing with people, man. People don't got time to play with y'all like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to play. I don't want to play. I don't want to be cool. None of that shit. Leave me alone. Real talk. Leave me alone. I just want to be left alone, man. That's it. I don't want to be bothered. And the thing is, man, I'm really about doing it the old school way. I don't believe in getting all this stuff involved, but, you know, we businessmen now, so let me show you what business is about. So since that's where we want to go, that's the route we going to go. But what I do know is, though, when I commented what I commented on, yo, you deleted that shit so fast because you know damn well that was the stupidest shit you could have did. You in your feelings like a little... Don't get me started. Calm down, Eric. Calm the freak down. Let him have it. Let him have it. Calm down. It's just business. Well, you need to get on there and finish your verse. Because we need the song, bro. I'm going to keep on playing it. So, you know what I mean? It's going to get played here. It get played over here. Yeah, man, but y'all, I'm just telling y'all, man. Just telling y'all what God loves, yo. Stop playing with people. Don't play with people. Leave people the freak alone. Don't bother people. You don't have to. There's no reason to try to pick with people. You try to pick with the wrong people, shit don't turn out too well. I've always found out that people that try to bully people end up getting bullied. That's a fact. I've always known that people who try to bully people always end up getting bullied. They always get bullied. Every time. Bully, 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 bullied. They get bullied. So, and that's the whole entire thing. They get into a situation to where you can't get out of it now. There's no running. Ain't no running no more. You cannot run. Can't run. You can't hide. There's no need for you to try. I ain't never seen a dude do this though, man. Like, this shit weird. It's like weirdo shit, man. Like super weirdo. I ain't never seen. This is my first time seeing some shit like this. It's weird. Weird. If anybody else out here doing shit like this, yo, you really weird. That's some weird shit. And like really, I'm to the point to where like if you do that, like don't come around my family. Don't be seen around me. It won't. Everybody be all right. That's all I know. I feel like you're a stalker. And if I see you, I'm gonna feel like you follow me from somewhere. I'm in fear for my life. I'm scared, Daniel. Just want you to know I'm scared, Daniel. Okay? Please stay away from me and my family. I fear for my life. I've been distressed because you've been constantly doing this. You've been bothering me, and I feel so bullied. And I just like, I don't know. I think I need to take some classes to protect myself. Because I really think you're going to do something to me. I think you're really going to harm me. might harm my children or something. I don't know. Like, I just fear for my life, bro. So I'm just asking you to please stop. Yeah, I would like for you to stop. Stop harassing me. Stop using my name in a defame. Because if I'm scamming, prove it. Where's your witnesses? You're going to have to prove it in court. But right now, I fear. I'm scared. I just want you to know that. So, from this day forward, I will protect myself from you, and I will protect my family from you and anybody that's in my facility, because I think you might just be stalking all of us. I don't know, but I just know I'm afraid, and I know when I get afraid, my children can feel it, and they don't like it. So can you please stop bullying us? Can we go? I mean, I might have to do it. Stop bullying us, Daniel Sutton campaign. Please stop it. I can't take this anymore. My life is spiraling out of control. People stop coming to work sessions. Some people believed you. You took away something that could have helped someone today, and they're not going to be able to get those things. So I just want you to know that. But anyway, what's up, guys? How y'all doing? Y'all learned something tonight? Tell me what you learned. What y'all learned tonight? Can anybody tell me what you learned tonight? Oh, man, it's so crazy, y'all, because this dude really had it up there. He took it down because he was scared. He got scared. He said, I own the name now. Class action for our damages. So y'all need a class action suit for the damages that he calls it, right? We need a full class action. I know that's real. Yeah, he hurry up and hopped on them motherfuckers and got them off. A weirdo. And that's what really I don't like, because you post a picture with me and my wife. That's weirdo shit, bro. And to be honest with you, like, I had every intentions to, like, if you was even close, bro, we wouldn't even have to say nothing, bro. I would have come on, give me a polite fade, bro. That's all. That's all I would have asked you for. But since we're gonna use P. Diddy word, bitch assness, then this the route we gonna take. Hey, I learned if they dismiss the probable cause, everything else go with it. Facts. Oh, you learned that I don't feel well? I know, man. I appreciate it. Like, appreciate y'all being here with me during this time of getting bullied. Yeah, Isaiah, I just want a polite fade, bro. That's it. That's really like that's the yeah, that's the old Eric in me. I really just want to fade for real. But I ain't had to, like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't have to give nobody a fade since I got this big. I used to weigh about 170, 165 back in the day. Some of y'all know that, but bro, I'm 230 solid. And I ain't had a fade in a long time. So I ain't had to grab nobody in a long time. Gentleman's fade. Straight up. And that just be, I'm going to get well, though. I got some tea I'm drinking. I got some depression stuff from some tea for depression and everything like that. So I got it. If he in Cali, I don't know, man. I don't know what this dude at. I don't even care, man. But I know what to do, though. I know how to find you. It's very easy. Say you at 260 now, bro? I feel you. Tell somebody come feel them 260 pounds. Cause It's been a while. Hey, whoever catch that gonna catch a whole lot from the shit you been holding. Hey, for real, bro. I don't know, man, but I ain't like I say, I'm not violent, y'all, but right now I do. Should we do taxes? I'm doing taxes. You wanna do taxes on this situation? Dang. What you gonna charge them with? Got you some yeah, I got some ashwagandha. Left, right. Oh me. 42 USC 1983. No, that's created an injured party. Do you see my chat? Please let me know. Who is this? Who is Seeker of Truth? I see you. I see you typing. What's up? I can sue who? Oh, you talking about the dude that's trying to bully and shit? Oh yeah, I know I can for sure, bro. We got him. I'm gonna read your message though. I haven't. It's kind of hard for some reason. I hate it because they don't show TikToks on. They don't show so that's why I have to have my phone up too, so I can see y'all messages on TikTok in the chat, but I can't see it on OBS. They don't pull it up for some reason. They some haters. But yeah. Yeah, they did it, man. I just don't like to be played with. But I keep telling y'all, like y'all get on this internet, and I'm saying this to any one of y'all, everybody. Don't get on here playing with people. You never know who you playing with. You never know what they know. You never know what they can do. Don't play with people. Real shit. And I know people everywhere. And I've gotten calls. Hey man, what's up? Hey, what you want to do? I'm like, bruh, I ain't doing that no more. we not doing that. We not finna catch a little dirt. We not finna be down with the FBI and the feds talking about no, we're not doing. We ain't finna be on no little dirt trial, no Young Thug trial. I'm over that. I'm like 50 Cent now. I will sue you for your draws and liquidate them to get what I need. That's what I'm on. So no, we don't need to do that. But I know they with it though. And it's like, you don't play, man. You just don't play with people. That's all I'm saying, y'all. And you don't get on here just saying anything that tries to cause harm to people's businesses. And ask Tasha K. Tasha K is pissed off right now because every time she gets on the show and get a check, she's having to pay Cardi B for running off in her damn mouth, trying to defame somebody's character, trying to bully, trying to play and shit. You see what I'm saying? And it's so funny. It's so freaking funny because she's sitting up there pissed off because she thought she could just get on there, say anything about anybody, and then she said something about the wrong person, and whop, defamation. Man, look, man. I just got to show y'all what bullying looks like, man. I'm being bullied. I cannot believe this. Never been bullied in my life until now. You know why I wasn't bullied in my life? Because most people who tried to bully, man, we always slapped them first. I remember being in high school and back we had 7th through 12th grade together. So I remember that the older kids used to try to jump on us, 7th, 8th graders and stuff like that. But we would squad up on their ass quick. And we was not playing, and they knew we weren't playing. Now, they got us sometimes. They might put us in the garbage can or something like that. But when we all squad up, bah, 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 we used to hit their ass with the medicine balls in the face. I'm talking about time you walk in the door, smush mouth, boom. We used to hit them with that hard-ass jump rope, that big-ass rubber jump rope you got to jump with. Yeah. So, we might have got pushed around a little bit, but guess what? We let you know. This is not somebody you just gonna come here. You're gonna go home with a black eye. You're gonna go home with something hurt, and you're gonna realize I don't need to be playing with these kids every day. I don't need to do that shit. That's the main thing. He was pressed. He couldn't eat off me, right? I think that's what it was. But this is just crazy, man. It's crazy. But I just wanted y'all to show y'all today. Like, don't watch who you play with, man. Don't play with everybody like that. Leave people the fuck alone. You know what I'm saying? Leave people alone. Cause you come over here and do this. Look. Why did you delete the stuff that you had up there? What happened? What happened to the one you was talking about? Scam alert, etc. I got it. I got pictures of it anyway, though, bro. So it don't matter. You can try. You tried it. I beat you to it, though. I just want you to know that we beat you to it. We beat you. Yeah, he thought he was doing something slick. Yeah, weak ass. All right, look. Let me show you something though. See, let me show you. See, this is what gets you in trouble. See how you're referencing my name and then you put scam alert? See what I'm saying? See what you're doing here and then see how you try to post my my Facebook address here? See how you did that? See, all this is a form of defamation. Oh, you thought you could just keep scamming people, so you're going to make that claim, right? See, that's defamation, bro. You do understand that, smart, dumbass dude, right? You understand that, smart, dumb? Because smart people are dumb, to be honest with you. We're not smart. We're intelligent beings, meaning we're able to adapt, right? And learning something quickly. Just how I just adapt to you doing this bullshit. You see this? Oh, now I have to deal with you. Well, why are you running? Why you won't why don't you post that thing you had back up there? Right? Why don't you post where you had that particular yeah, post it up there. Post it up there. Where you had that EIN with my name on it. Why don't you post that up there? Do you know how long I've been using my name, bro? For you to even try to use it and identify yourself? Smart dumbass. Come on. You got it. Like what you did is just stupid. And y'all be thinking it ain't no consequences. You feel what I'm saying? And the thing is, the fact that you so soft enough to do this, bro, I know you would never, ever, ever. This is you wouldn't say a word in my face. Not one single word. Bro, I will fly you here if that's what you want, you know? Just come have a conversation. We can sit here together on live. And we're going to let you say all that you want to say, bro. I will take care of your flight. I will take care of all of your food. You see what I'm saying? I'll make sure you got a hotel. Everything. I'll make sure you're well taken care of. That's my word. I will do that for you. But I know you ain't got it in you, though. Because you do shit like this. See what I'm saying? You do stuff like this, man. So I know it's not easy. So, but what all I'm asking is, since you're so tough, why don't you put what you had up there again? Put it back up there, Mr. Tough Guy. No. So we're just going to leave it right there for you, right? Now, I'm glad you guys had fun with this. I had fun with this tonight. And I just want you guys to know that you are the chosen one. Okay? Somebody said ask permission to use a code. All right. You know what I'm saying? So let's go, man. Turn up before we get up out of here with me. Turn up. That's a seriously sick ass activity, right? That's crazy, yo. But it's cool, man. Let's turn up, yo. I just literally might have a restaurant called Taco Supreme Bay, though. That's interesting. I like that. We chosen, bro. You ain't know that? Thought you could play with people?
Give me a reason. Put up swerve on them. I'm demon doing donuts in the SRT. Two-tone, hit the red button, I'm gone.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm switching up lanes.
We're not playing, man. We're not letting, it's 2025 and we ain't letting shit slide. Put your mind to. Do not put your mind to hating, though. Do not do that. Let's go. Like a chosen one. Yeah. Hey, I got an idea, man. Listen, we ain't even got to throw hands, bro. We're going to put on some pads, some football pads, and we finna do this old drill we used to do. I'll pay you to come do it, bro. Literally. You running the ball, I'm free safety. We're going to be 10 yards apart, bro. And you no juke moves, no nothing. Head up. Let's do that. That's what I want to do. Let me show you something for real. Yeah. Who want to be the quarterback? Who want to be the quarterback? Real talk. I wish I had my high school tapes. I'll show you how hard I used to hit, bro. I don't think you want to do that. But yeah, let's do that though. I really want to do that. Get that football, boy. Oklahoma drill. You feel what I'm saying? Put that football in your head. Yeah, we're going to be 10 yards apart. Full speed. I want to see you run through me. I want to see you bully me like that. Come bully me like that. Bro, let me tell you about my first time, bro. Let me tell you something. First of all, I only played a total of, we'll say 5 years in what you would call organized football. I played 9th grade, and then I didn't play my 9th grade because the coach had, the after my 9th grade, the 10th grade year, the coach who I wanted to play for had passed away, so I didn't know nothing about the new coach, so I just didn't play. You know, really, I'm a hooper, but so we get in my 11th grade year. Bro, they made me play. And when I say they made me play because they made it to where football was PE. So you had to participate in the football in order for me to get the grade so I could leave, just, finish out my credits for the school, whatever, right? And man, what happened was, I'll never forget, everybody was talking shit, boy. They was talking so much shit. And they was like, yeah, we're going to hit your ass when we get out there today, boy. We're going to light your ass up. Like, that's all I heard, right? I said, okay, say less. Wait till we get out here then. So, look, man, I'll never forget what we get in there. Now, mind you, we got white jerseys. If you had on black jerseys, that means you was an automatic starter. You're starting. right? So I had a white jersey and said I had on a rinky dink ass number at that. I don't forgot what number it was, but I had it on. So I put my helmet on. They gave me the biggest helmet and everything, shoulder pads, all that, right? So it's time for they put me over. They said, all right, we're gonna put you at wide receiver. And then they made me play tight end. I mean, not tight. Well, I played a little bit of tight end too, but they made me play wide receiver, tight end. But on defense, I played safety, right? So mind you, I'm one of the ones that never came off the field. We played both ways. We was a 3A school. So, but you can search Carver County. You can search Carver County, Alabama, 3A school, Ozzie Newsome. That's all you need to know. Ozzie Newsome went there. All right, Ed West went there. Some real ballers come from there. But but anyway, so man, I remember we was in the drill, 10 yards apart, right? And so the first few people going, and like he's like, the coach was like, all right, we're gonna go half quarter speed. And I'm like, shit, these boys ain't finna go half quarter speed. They out for blood today. So he blow the whistle, the whistle blow, they take off. Full speed. Boom, shoot, dude get ran over. I'm like, oh yeah, that is not happening to me. He was like, God damn it, I said half quarter speed. I was like, oh yeah, bro, that ain't, nobody's out here. Cause like, you got to learn the form. You're not gonna learn the form going full speed yet. So he trying to get everybody to learn the form tackle going slow. Bro, they is not going slow, right? So I knew it. And I'm like, I know they ain't gonna go slow. So they had this one dude get up. I never forget. We called him Peter Man. And it was like one of his first times coming out there too with us and everything like that. They gave him that ball, boy. He took off running full speed. Boy, I took off full speed. And like, you gotta understand, I'm tall. So I'm about like 6'1", 6'1" and a half, something like that. And so the way I used to hit, I used to run with my brother taught me to hit, like, you don't hit your defender, you run through your defender. So I used to always try to hit 2 yards past you. Like, I'm trying to run through you. I don't want to just tackle you. When I tackle you, I want to over you, right? So that's how I used to do, right? So I used to run and I would lunge like a bullet. Man, I lunged at him. Wow! All you heard was, woo! Woo! God damn it, I think we got us a safety. We got us a safety. So that's what he started hollering, right? So they want to try this shit again, right? So they put up somebody else in front of me, man. His name was, hey, bro, I got to call you out, bro. His name was Michael Holyfield. Call him Boogie. That's my dog, though. One of the baddest dudes, athletics dudes I know. But he tried that half speed shit. I was on some full speed, right? I was not playing, bro. So they get him the ball, and we going again, boy. I'm talking about, I'm telling you, I did him the same way. I'm talking about full speed, string like a bullet. And y'all got to understand, it ain't the rules y'all play with today. We could really knock your head off. Like, straight up. We could knock your head off, right? Like, big time. So that's why I say, like, Travis Hunter wouldn't have played with us, because I would have smoked his ass the first play of the game. Whether he got the ball or not, you come across his field, bro, I'm finna knock your head off. Because only thing, we wasn't getting thrown out the game. We get a 15-yard penalty. So every time you come through now, you're going to be with them short arms, trying to watch. Because we hitting you anyway. It didn't matter. The first thing I understood about football was fear. You put fear in somebody, it's over with. Now, if you get somebody that's hitting just as hard as you, it's a long night. You got a battle on your hands. But man, them first hits, Kerr. And that's just like you say, anybody get hit in the mouth, it's all good till you get hit in your mouth. When you get hit in your mouth, you shut up quick. You either gonna shut up because you're scared, or you're gonna shut up out of respect, knowing that I gotta shut my mouth. You gotta respect what's going on. You see what I'm saying? So, hey, I'm just letting y'all know. Hey, those days was real. So I haven't hit somebody so hard like that in a minute, but I would love to hit your ass like that, Daniel Sutton. Get the football. We can settle this and just call it a day, bro. We ain't got to worry about it. Get the football. Right? Hey, we can do a pitch. What you want to do? A pitch back? You know what I'm saying? You want to toss? You want a halfback lead? You want to run a dive? No matter what you run. I just want to see you try it. That's all I want to see is you try it. You know what I'm saying? One time, bro. But I know. Listen, I know you're not like that though. But look, man, I had fun with y'all tonight, man. It's been great. You know, excuse all the language or whatever, but I'm me though, man. I like being me, and I still love over here. So if that bothers you, then I guess you'll miss your blessings, etc., right? Or whatever the case may be. But man, we come from a struggle, yo, and look at where we at today. Despite any of that, like, I don't got nothing against you, bro. So let me get on a serious tip. I really don't got nothing against you, but like, you just got to be an example, bro. People can't play with other people. And that's just the way we going to leave it. You know what I mean? So, can't play with people. But no, I don't got shit against you. Whatever you got against me, you ain't called me, try to solve it. You ain't said nothing. You really don't want to say nothing, but it is what it is. Yes, I did block you because my wife asked me to block you, so I blocked you. So, I respect what she asked, so I'm going to do that. But, bro, we still see everything, though. You're not slick. But may God be with you, your children, your family, bro. May y'all be able to sustain this lawsuit. I really just, hope y'all get by and God be with y'all after you, serve your restitution on this particular matter, and that God just uplift you, and, that you be cleansed and you don't try to bully anybody else. That's my prayer for you and your family. Have a great night, everybody. I am out of here. Yes. We are definitely having a good time. We can get on the game right now, bro. What's up?
Look where we came from. All of my homies on one accord now. We don't ask questions like what can we afford now. All of my homies important now. You break the code, you deport now. We play the game like a sport now. Endorsement straight from the hood now. Man, on my way, then we good now. Don't approach me unless you more now. She approaching, asking for more now. Pick your head up, don't hit your head down. The struggle will sun up, the sun down. I found my peace and we here now. Cold or honor up in here now. So lay down the law, keep it real now. They lower your oil, it's man down. I got a few killers that shooting around. You know we keep peace, ain't no backing down. He said for my family, now he asking for treaties. Just watch out them niggas who acting so greedy. Them be the people who heart is so evil. Swear I couldn't do it with none of my people. Fuck with me, the trigger I'm squeezing. Alertion the pussy ass nigga I'm sneezing.